Welcome back, fellas, to this new video of TextPressed. This is one of the greatest tools to connect browser. The Comet Browser is more than just a place to browse. This is a full-fledged AI agent platform. So, we're going to step into the Comet automation features, showing you how to turn complex multi-step tasks like managing your schedule, applying some discounts, doing competitive research into simple text comments. So, to set up the actual agent, you need to download and install the Comet Browser. It's built by Perplexity, so your Perplexity account works here. The key to automation is giving the AI permissions to act. You need to connect your other devices, for example Gmail, Google Calendar, shopping sites, and the agent settings. So once everything has been set up, as you can see, the only thing that I need to do is to focus into the left corner where I have my account, and all of these elements should be imported like right away. Now, once everything has been set up, notice the persistent sidebar into the right. This is your personal agent for instructions of any page, which appears here into the upper right corner. So, the agent use case number 1, which is the research of the summarization. We can use the case 1, instant research, open a computer's product page or an industry analysis report. So I'm going to open this new tab. And let's say that I wanted to learn a little bit more about Tesla. So, I'm going to initiate my account or create an actual account here. So I choose to initiate, I go for continue, I select the TextPressed videos account, and inside here, once again, let's type Tesla. And here I have more information about Tesla. So down below here, you can see that here I have more information about the analysis of the actual Tesla, right? So here's my actual assistance. If I use, for example, my case 1, here I can talk a little bit more about in the sidebar, analyze the pricing model on this current page or compare this for the industrial average, right? And you can of course click into the option that says plus, and here you can ask for any kind of things. Comet will instantly scan the page, provide the analysis, and often suggest the next step, like would you like me to save this analysis to a new document or whatever. So here, directly here into Tesla, I have here the actual quote of the website that I'm choosing. Let's say, which is best in the market versus Tesla, compared into everything that I have just made the research so far. And here's my actual research, and there we go. Right? Next thing, of course, is the action and the execution. We can, of course, use the automated execution. This is where the power comes in. You can connect your calendar to the email to act. Type this into the sidebar. For example, find the first available 30-minute slots Thursday afternoon in an email. You can focus, for example, into the gmail.com. I'm going to go here into gmail.com. I'm going to close this. Here is my Google Workspace. And inside my specific inbox, let's say that I once again go back for TextPress. Here is my actual browser. I use my assistant. And let's say find me a email address from this specific inbox. Here's an email address from your inbox. Additionally, you have a label related to this one. Let me know if you need to know a specific. So let's say find me a specific contact from, and you choose a country, right? And it might be asking you questions as you start making some research. So it's really important to connect to your account directly inside Perplexity in order to help you to solve your issues, your problems, and much more. So to build a custom agent chain for advanced users, you can chain comments together. Think of this as like creating a custom macro, right? So take that in mind in order to continue. So I would have to do, of course, to set recurring tasks like every Monday morning, find the top 5 headlines about the, the AI stock market. Or I can summarize them into a bullet list and drop them an email to a team title, weekly AI market digest, something like that. So the Comet agent performs all the 3 steps without you lifting a finger, saving the draft for your final review. This is exactly what you will be looking for from the actual, in this case, Perplexity. So once you have now done this process, let's say that I close this, open this once again, connect, head back, I am inside here, and we can just try to open and reopen your actual elements. Right? Something else that you can do, for example, is that the Comet browser moves beyond the search into the action. You can start experimenting with small tasks, for example, scheduling, summarizing, work with your way up, and doing so much more. Every time you make some changes, one of the most easiest way to continue with this stuff is that you reload your Comet web browser, so all of this element will be applied into your new support element. And there we go. This is a really easily way how we can get started with our actual elements from Comet. So hopefully it was a very useful information for you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you wanted to see more great tools of how we can start using this as an actual task assistant. Think of this as an AI assistant with more tools than just Gemini or ChatGPT. So thank you once again for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully with all this being said, we can see you next time.